right, lady dropped off a pair of Gingher sewing scissors this morning in my drop box, and the first thing I noticed about them, somebody has tried to sharpen these and it's got an ugly edge on it. This one is almost convex. Somebody used a belt sander, slack belt sander, and that's how they tried to sharpen these scissors. They might have cut at one point in time, but right now they do not cut all the way through the fabric. So here's a thin piece of fabric. So we're gonna have to fix these. And so we're gonna use the old twice as sharp. So stay tuned. First thing we're gonna do is clean them up on the Scotch-Brite wheel a little bit. I want you to look at that edge first. Let's see if we can get a little tighter shot. I want you to see that edge and that grind pattern on there, plus the rust and pitting. So it's pitiful. Got them sharpened up. If you want to see how I do it, you can watch some of my long form videos on how to sharpen scissors, but let's test them first. Look at that. Wonderful. Cutting like they should. Just wonderful. There we go. How about thicker stuff? Perfect, 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 perfect. There we go. They're sharpened.